This video is a quick review of theme and thematic statements, how they're similar and how they're different. So let's start by talking about what a theme is. So using these definitions, select what you think is the correct definition of theme. If you chose an important topic or idea in a story, you're correct. So think about the theme as sort of a word that sums up what the story is about. There's no plot details, there's no necessarily life lesson. It's just telling you the story is about fill in the blank with one word. So let's look at examples to see if you can choose it. So again, what is a theme? Which of the following options is an example of a theme? Option 1, option 2, or option 3? If you chose option 2, you're correct. It's a one-word description of an important topic or idea that a story could be about. The first option gives you a little bit more of a summary or describes what happens in the story. And down below is more of a life lesson or something we can take away from the story. So the theme in the middle is one word, an idea, a topic that the story is about. Now, let's move on to thematic statements. So you'll notice that the word theme, there's the root there, but this is a little bit different. So let's see if you can figure out which of these three is the definition of thematic statement. If you chose option A, the first one, you're correct. It's a life lesson or message in a story. Now, a theme is the important topic, and a lot of times that life lesson is about that topic. So you can think about it in terms of themes, the topic. Help us find the thematic statement or the life lesson, because we'll say, here's a topic, and then the thematic statement is a life lesson about that topic. Now, just like last time, let's see if you can pick out an example. So which of the following is an example of a thematic statement? You have the character went through a number of difficult things in the story, courage, or it's not always easy to be brave, but you can't spend your life a coward. If you chose the last one, you're correct, because that gives advice, a life lesson, something we can take away from the story. Now you'll notice it doesn't have the characters identified, it doesn't necessarily talk about the plot, but it's just that life lesson or advice that you can take away. Now let's talk about how the two are similar or different. With themes, they're usually one word. To help you remember that, theme is one word, and themes are usually just one word long. It doesn't give you a lesson, just a topic that the story is about, and it doesn't include a summary. Now let's compare that to thematic statements. Thematic statements are usually a sentence or two. So they're more than one word, just like thematic statement is more than one word. It's two words. So it's more than one word, usually a sentence or two for your thematic statement. It does include a life lesson. It is a life lesson from the story. And it, again, just like theme, does not include a summary. You're not summarizing what happens in the story. A thematic statement is a life lesson that we can take away. Now, last question, just to see how you're feeling as you walk away from this. How confident do you feel about your understanding of themes and thematic statements? Once you've answered that, great job with this. Hopefully this helps you really take your understanding to the next level or clarify some things you might be confused about. Great work.